Oh my gosh. State of that.
How are we?
Happy Monday!
We start respiratory this week, and I'm trying to keep a positive mindset about it because I know I find it difficult. I said that about Liverpool. I find a lot of things difficult, but I think I'm going to find this particularly difficult just to get my head around it. But it's fine. It's fine. I'll just come back and I'll revise it and it'll be all gucky. It's got colder. It's definitely got colder. Well, I mean, there's things about winter. I'm like, ooh, yeah, I like that. And then the other things, specifically, my hands go really blue, and they get quite painful. Just poor circulation. Poor circulatory queen. It's fine. I just need to invest in some gloves. I did pop into some of the charity shops in Swansea. They're brilliant. I'll show you. I got a brand new, so I'm on the lookout for like placement clothes, like just, well, smart clothes basically. And I wanted some satin shirts, and I found a brand new Zara shirt in like a royal blue, Prussian blue. I love that word, Prussian. Brand new, never worn, £4. £4 from Zara. I was like, oh my gosh. Anyone who lives in Swansea, get yourself, I shouldn't be saying this because everyone's going to take all the stuff, but get yourself to the British Heart Foundation. I had my mock last week as well, which I think it went okay, but I find out the results from it on Friday and we go through all the questions. So we'll see how I actually did. I mean, the plan of the day is basically the same every day. That porridge, that's my new breakfast obsession. Start making your porridge on a stove and not in a microwave and your life will be changed in the morning. You can thank me later, don't worry. I'm gonna love you and leave you. Have a great day, guys. Learn lots, laugh lots. Treat yourself to something. Whether that's an early night, a coffee, make yourself a nice tea. I love how it's all food-based for me. Well, or go for a walk. There's nothing better than a mentee bee walk. Just go on a walk, listen to a podcast, and just zone out for a bit. And it's amazing what it does for the old noggin. So, have a great day. Bye. Hello darlings, how are we? We've done it. We've done Monday. We did it, sister. I'm just making myself a herbal tea. What should we have? I don't know if I like peppermint tea. I don't really like mint, so I don't think I really like, well, because of the name, Carrots. What is that? Should I... It's just a video of me sniffing herbal teas. Okay. I felt like I learned something today, which, well, I should be every day, but you know what I mean. Like I felt like, yeah, okay. So we've got 3 weeks of respiratory now. I like this. So we had like just respiratory physiology, yeah. And then in the afternoon we had to like do a respiratory examination, had to take a history with like a respiratory spin on it, you know. I went to the gym after, gonna just chill for a bit and then we're gonna crack on with work. I don't have any lectures tomorrow. I'm going to reveal how sad I am. I actually don't like that. I'd rather have a lecture in the morning, but the other half of the year on placement that day. Shake up my study space. But cheers. Happy Tuesday. Today is a bit different. Today I have a day off. I don't really have a day off, I just don't have any scheduled lectures because the other half of the year are on placement and we share a GP surgery, like the GP surgeries like share us, but I do have quite a bit of work to do. So it's a day off. By that I mean I can schedule my own day, you know? I'm gonna make myself a matcha, take it in my little Cardiff Chili's mug, which, how cute is she? I'm gonna work in the hub bit because I really like noise. I like it when people like chatting about shit around me. That sounds so odd. I find sometimes the library's just a bit too quiet, and then I start getting distracted by my own head. I'm gonna go to the gym and then come home, have tea, and watch the fireworks tonight. I think we're gonna just watch it from the beach because the beauty about fireworks is they're in the sky. We're not gonna buy tickets because we can see them. I know sparkling water is not everyone's cup of tea. Well, it's probably no one's cup of tea, but I can drink gallons of the stuff. And I'm gonna love you and leave you, and I'll see you on campus with my homemade matcha. And we're gonna have a productive time. Yes. Hello. It looks like it's time. It's literally like, I think it's like 4:15. I was productive this morning, and then I went to the gym, I came home, and I was like, I'll just crawl into bed, like it's cold. And then I've been here ever since, just coached up, doing geeky medics on my laptop. I proceeded to scroll through, like, you know those TikTok of like doctors and they're like, guess the differential diagnoses, and I was like, this is kind of revision but also fun at the same time. So I've been doing that for quite a while. I have to say, it's actually really sad, but I just don't fare well on days where I'm on my own all day. Like, I like my own company, and I should be revising, which I did do this morning. I did a lot of like admin-y stuff this morning that I needed to do, like reply to emails, ring different, like I had to ring Asda today to get my money back, and I managed to get a £5 voucher because they didn't show up last week. So I'm actually quite proud of myself. I've got my money back and I got a £5 voucher for this week. And that's all I've got to report. I am looking forward to this evening. I can't wait to see the fireworks. I feel like I can't remember the last time I went to see a fireworks display. Probably like 2 years ago. It starts at 7, so I think I'm meeting everyone at 1:45. But I'll see you a bit later when I'm watching fireworks. I feel it looks on the camera. It looks like we're either in an apocalypse or in the musical Rent. Oh my gosh, they're high.
They are. You'd see lights. Exactly, but would it be the same?
I mean, you're one of the girlies, Dan.
Right. I mean, I find it hilarious how the automatic shifts.
Good morning, everyone. How are we? Thursday today. I realised I didn't speak to you all day yesterday. We had lectures on viral infection, asthma, which I've been going over this morning because I kind of switched off in that lecture. I was just getting tired. I think I'm going to head into uni early now and just sit in sort of, I keep calling it the SU, I don't know if it's called like the hub bit, and just finish it there. Yesterday was good. I just came home and flopped. I was like tired. So that's the plan. And I do want to go to the gym at some point. So that is the tea. And if I don't, I'll probably end up going for a long walk. But some form of exercise today is what is needed. So I'm going to love you and leave you. Have a great day. Learn lots. Treat yourself. Don't beat yourself. It's for morale. Keep morale high. Toodaloo. Have a great day. I need to go to bed. And we're gonna slay. I feel like I feel really bug-eyed today. Like. Sorry, I just got home. Look what I got. So So I've got this. My sister just texted me. She was like, oh, there's something on your doorstep. Look how cute. I love that. That is the best tea ever. Biscuits and jams. How cute. Oh, it made my day.
And the sauce has separated the dish.
We're not going to get stressed. We're not going to get stressed. Hello lovely people, how are we? Oh my gosh, I've just eaten so much together. So I had like chili con carne orzo, which was really nice. But today felt long, but we had clinical skills this morning, which I always love. So we were doing respiratory examinations and then we just like took it in turns. So we had 4 actors and we had like groups of 4 and then we were going around taking in turns. So I had 2 chances of practicing taking history, like a respiratory history, which is quite good. The first time round I was really bad, and then the second time round I think I sort of found my groove a bit more. You know, I mentioned that we had like our mock. We got to sort of go through the questions and see what we got right. We weren't allowed to like copy down the questions, but we were allowed to sort of make notes on the topics and see what we got right and wrong, basically. You look back and think, of course that's the answer, but at the time you're like, this is definitely the answer. But it's absolutely wrong. Asda man is coming at 6 o'clock. Which time? Oh, he's literally going to come within 5 minutes, hopefully. Mind you, last week he didn't even come. So we'll see about that, Asda man. He's probably going to go, no. Nah, can't be bothered. But, right, I need to clean this flat. Maybe put on a bit of TV in the background. It's been a long day. It's been a cold day. I've been really cold all day. Like, it feels like winter now. It really feels like winter. For sure. Happy Saturday.
Happy anniversary, my
Thank
love.
you.
I saw it.
I
was
love
like,
that. Can I open it?
yeah.
Ah! Wow, love. I knew you were doing something like this. Okay, I'm gonna take my time reading this. Poetry book.
Like an exchanger for a larger size.
She's cute. I love it. I love it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, I love it. Thank you.
Ooh, I didn't realise I was on camera.
Well, you are now. So.
Oh.
Don't be weird.
Oh, my.
My favourite. Here to watch planning. Started. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Concoction 1. Concoction 2.
Why does it look like yogurt?
Because you added loads of yogurt. Oh!
As in, like, why is it not looking orange?
Because it's predominantly yogurt.
Yeah, but...
Mine was like mostly Peronaise and then a splash of yogurt to bulk it out.
You'd say that!
Well, I thought you said you knew what you were doing. This is your fault.
Yeah. I'm getting hungry now. I'm getting hungry. Marcus, I'm getting hungry. I'm hungry now.
I'm so ready.
I'm very ready. Look at the state of that. There you go.
What is it?
It's a chicken curry. What do you think it is?
Is there any more wet stuff to put?
Good.
Oh, that's nice. I'm glad someone enjoyed it.
Yeah.
banana. That's so boring.
Yeah, but it's nice though.
Yeah, but it's not. You know you want something more.
Alright.
Thank you, Marcus, for the sound effects. What's it called? A mallard. No, a mallard is one of the green ones.
Yeah, a male duck.
What's a female duck?
A duck. Actually, I think it's called a hen.
That's a chicken, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a female chicken. You got a
Yeah, so a mallard.
Doubt myself.
Female duck is just a duck.
Now you made me doubt myself.
A mallard is
I
a
think-
type of duck.
I thought a mallard was a male
No,
duck.
a
Right,
mallard.
I don't know.
Why is someone shooting?
What do you call a male and female duck?
I feel overstimulated.
Sorry, a male duck is called a drake. Also, if you think, really think about the word duck, it's a weird word. Just for example.
Does it sound like something else?
No. Oh, a mallard is a type of duck. I was wrong.
Yes.
I was wrong.
Oh my gosh. Forest, what's it called? Forest features? Forest schools, that's it. Paid off.
My name is Russell.
Not
and I'm a wilderness explorer.
Not that there's a pond in a forest. It's Grey's Anatomy.